Reasons for Australia student visa application rejection. 1. Improper passport. The applicant's passport must have been issued within the last 10 years and should be valid for at least 6 months after returning from Australia. In certain cases where passports don't meet the necessary requirements, the Immigration Office of Australia will not be issuing any student visas. 2. Incomplete application form. If an incomplete visa application form is submitted, the visa request will be denied under all circumstances. 3. Character requirements failure. Failure to meet the Australia student visa's character requirements will result in a clear rejection. In case your student visa is denied on character grounds, you might not be given another visa. You must be of good character to visit or live in Australia. This means you must pass the character test and remain in good character. The character requirements are set out under Section 501 of the Migration Act 1958. They help us decide if you are of good character. 4. Incomplete or missing documents. If the Australian student visa application of an applicant is found to have a document or two missing, which are required for the completion of assessing the Australia student visa application, then the visa application request will be denied in this case also. 5. False information. Visa officers expect applicants to provide correct and exact information about themselves and their family's income and the potential to bear overall expenses. One should mention the exact amount of course fees and living expenses along with the exact amount of your income and savings. This figure is cross-checked in order to ensure that the applicant has the capability of bearing the educational as well as living costs for studying in Australia. Even if the applicant plans to take an educational loan, they would need to mention the exact amount of the loan also. If you provide false income or savings, a visa application has a huge chance of being rejected. 6. Failure to submit additional requests. After you submit an Australian student visa application, the Immigration Office may ask you to provide additional documents or information. If you fail to answer these requests, you won't receive a visa. 7. Insufficient finances. If you can't provide proof that you can support your trip to Australia, you won't be granted a visa. It's important to the Immigration Office to know that you are capable of financially supporting